update on the Skyline. This is what it's looking like at the moment. Battery is dead, so it's charging. Haven't really run it in a while. New things to update is Link G4X in here. A GT3076R with a 8.82 housing. What else is there that's new? That's pretty much it really. 270 kilowatt to the wheels on pretty mild boost. I think it was like 14 psi or maybe 15 psi. That's it at this stage, and then over here is now my new goodies. ARP head studs there. I've got Calford springs. Calford springs. My cams haven't arrived yet, but they are in the process of being made. So Calford springs there. NZ wiring trigger kit, supporting local. Yeah, boy. I got it in anodized black. Theme for my engine bay is going to be black and stainless. Calford exhaust cam, beautiful piece there. So that's going in as well. Billet oil pump gear from JRS Performance, New Zealand as well. To my right, fuel pressure rig there. It is the 1200 series, and somewhere in here I have a gauge for them. Would open it. Battery relocation. So this here is my Plasma Man intake. So putting battery into the boot for space wise, and to also take a bit of weight out of the front as well, because obviously battery is a little bit heavy. So that is all going in as well. Next thing here is Franklin Performance head drain. So that's here. I also have the VCT drain as well, which is all of the parts in here. So those are them, and that's more for the drain as well. So that's those things. And then onto the coolest thing is my manifold. Lay it down carefully. Just don't want to scratch it before it even gets on the car. So this is the Plasma Man R34, or not R34, just the 25 Neo Plenum, anodized black, which is why I went with everything else being black at this stage. I want to keep the engine bay looking pretty cool and clean. I don't want any funky colours. So that's that. Is this it here? Is this my throttle body? Hopefully. I got the black 72 mil throttle body as well. Here we go. So Plasma Man. Very cool. So that is going here. Don't want to scratch the bottom of it so far, so that's going to take up that. Obviously I said the battery's going to the back. It's going to be nice. Going to do rocker covers as well, just a nice black colour. Piping's obviously going down there. Going to do a cold air box for the pod filter this side, so I'll down. Catch can is going over here where the battery was. We're going to make an air box for here, so hopefully this side and that side will be similar to identical. I'm going to tidy a bit of the wiring up and stuff like that. What else is there? That's it. Head drain's obviously going up there. Head's coming off, going to get ported. And the intake side, I don't have much space here. So obviously the plenum bolts on from here. We're going to port a little bit of that up as well, just to make it a bit more free flowing. And one thing I did forget is just gasket kit. Won't open it, but it's a head, exhaust, intake, turbo, all of those, just like a full gasket kit there. One thing I'm not too sure of is my coils. They are the yellow jacket, I think they're called yellow jacket coils. So hopefully they can take what we're wanting, hoping to get something similar to about 350 kilowatt to the wheels. So just shy of 500 wheel horsepower. Tyres at the moment are 245 Firehawk, I think SPs or something, so brand new. So I don't know how long they'll last though. And then the 235s in the front. So yeah, update on the Skyline at the moment. Quite a few parts, been collecting them for quite a few months now. Just slowly getting things. What I did mention before is got cams on the way. 272, 264 Calford cams again. So they are a drop-in, what they consider a drop-in cam, but we're still just going to do a little bit of work to make everything nice. But this is it. Looks like a mess at the moment, but very excited for the Plasma Man. Very, very cool. And that came from Aussie. And this is the car. Don't mind that little ding down there. What else do I have? Nothing really. Haven't driven it too much. Just sits in the garage. Hopefully we'll drive it more once all of these things are done. Yeah, I want to change these, go black. So everything is going to be hopefully black and the stainless sort of polish there. And that's it. So it's not a factory turbo, factory non-turbo. But then 4 years ago, I think it was, or 3.5 years ago, turboed it to a factory 25 Neo engine from a crate R34 GTT. Goes really well at the moment. Doesn't really need any more power. It's quite fun, but obviously want to go more power, have more fun with it. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully I can make some more videos when these things are starting to get installed. Just waiting on the cams at the moment, which is why everything's here. When the cams come, which should be late October, early November, then this will be in action. Peace.